The AG Coombs Group is an Australian-owned provider of building services. What does that mean? We offer an integrated range of technical services for all systems in buildings, pretty much everything that you'll find in a building that's not the superstructure itself. So from advice and design through to installation, commissioning, manufacturing, maintenance, ongoing operation and management of the building, everything in the building. Our expertise is in air conditioning and mechanical services, fire protection, hydraulics, electrical services and lighting, and also the building control technologies that drive all these things. We operate across pretty much all the vertical markets you could think of: commercial property, acute healthcare, higher education, retail, telecommunications and data centres, transport infrastructure, pharmaceutical manufacturing, controlled environments like laboratories, and also defence facilities.
Why did you join the CRC?
AG Coombs started digital design and documentation processes and off-site prefabrication around 12 years ago. And we've really pushed it as far as we can without the fundamental building design and construction process changing. So until we actually get a fundamental change around that process, we really can't realise the outworkings from our investment and, more importantly, the potential that we can bring to the market.
What are you hoping to achieve with the CRC?
We're looking for the development and demonstration of new approaches to building design and construction. These need to include the full integration of building services, and they need to be focused on the opportunities available from digital design, off-site fabrication and advanced construction processes. The second thing we're looking for is a strong realisation of the need for a fundamentally changed building delivery and procurement process that must necessarily flow if we're to achieve those benefits. So in the first instance, if we're going to manufacture buildings in a factory and assemble them on site, we've really got to design them that way in the first instance, and we don't do that at the moment. The second thing is that we've got a very, very effective construction industry. It's very, very lean in terms of how it procures things. It just procures things just when it needs it, and it basically does it in a very, very hard and cost-driven way. And so consequently, people like ourselves are procured very late in the process, and therefore we bring our value to the process way too late for the process I talked about earlier on. And so if you're going to do the first thing, which is about a whole lot of more design inside up front, you've got to procure your people and your team differently. The fundamental nature of the enablement that comes from digitalisation is collaboration. It's not a collaborative industry, it's an adversarial industry. It has to change, otherwise we're not going to get the benefits out of digitalisation. If there's no collaboration, there's no benefits.